Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix file stream access denied in ChatGPT. Are you seeing an error that says file stream access denied when uploading or opening a file in ChatGPT? Don't worry, this is the common issue and you can fix it within a few steps. First, refresh the page or restart the app. If you are using ChatGPT in browser, reload the page. If you are using the app, close it completely and reopen it. Sometimes glitches can cause this error. Next, check the file you are trying to upload. Make sure the file is not open in another app. For example, close the file in Word, Excel, Google Docs or any other program before uploading to the ChatGPT. Another important step is to check your browser permission. Make sure browser allows file access. If permission were blocked before, ChatGPT may not be able to read the file. If you are using browser clear cache and cookies, old or corrupted data can stop file uploading from working correctly. After clearing them, restart your browser and sign in again. Also try a different browser or device. Sometimes the issue is browser specific. Switching browser can instantly fix the problem. Make sure your file type is supported. Very last file of uncommon format may fail. Try converting them file into PDF, docs and TXT and upload it again. If the file continues or if the problem continues, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt file access and cause the error. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. Found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.